Hey guys, this is Candy coming to you with another video. Today we are prepping the hair. As you can see, her hair is super short, especially on the sides. She has an undercut, and we're going to be doing some crochet passion twists on her head. Yes, on her hair. And the braid pattern is a little bit difficult to achieve only because her hair is so short, closer to the area that is shaved. And so my pattern of choice, kind of stretched me a bit, but we got it done. And she's using actually passion twist hair for the style today. Of course, I'm using some braiding here to braid her hair down, especially since it is shorter. However, I do add braiding here to everyone's head once I'm doing braid pattern because I feel like it makes their hair more secure and creates a better foundation for the crochet hair. Anyway, so we're starting by doing the braids upward, and I'm doing it that way so that she one has some versatility. Like if she decides to wear the hair over to one side and leave the shaved side out, then she's able to do that. If she wants to do a high ponytail, she's also able to do that. So that's just why I'm doing this braid pattern. Everything is just being braided up around the sides of her head, and once I complete that, then I will start attacking the middle part of her head. All right, so all of those braids that were braided up are now being connected with one braid from the front going all the way to the back, and then I'm going to just curve that braid over to the other side of her head, and that will be joined with that one braid that is connecting the other braids over the other side of the head. I hope it's not too complicated, but I always give you guys a bonus, so I will be sure to link a video down below to show you how I do a braid pattern on another style similar to this. All right, so now we're gonna work on the middle. I'm just doing these braids all the way back. Sometimes I do a beehive, but for today's look, yeah, we're just doing everything back in the middle. All right, so now I have the tail, that one last piece of braid remaining that I'm going to just tuck underneath. And guys, I apologize for my morning voice. It's now after 6 in the morning, and so I don't have the cutest voice. I don't have the cutest voice 12 o'clock in the day, but it's even worse now, but whatever. All right, so her hair is all braided up, and now we're gonna go in with the crochet hair. Yes, this is some crochet hair from Amazon. Love it, love it, love it. Love the tri ombre color. And I will definitely leave the link to the hair down below in the description box so that you guys can, get the same hair if you would like to use it. But until then, let's get into continuing to watch the video. I am starting by installing the hair. Yes, and I'm just actually knotting it. For the most part, I knot it only once. I believe sometimes I went ahead and knotted them twice. But you will know from the get-go once you do your first knot if you will need another one. All right? Or sometimes with some hair, you even need three. So you just have to go with your instinct and how the hair reacts or responds to the first knot. All right, so we're gonna go in and just install the hair fairly closely, and I'm doing that because she expressed that she wanted the option to wear everything down without her undercut being exposed, and so I knew right there and then that the hair had to be very full in order to provide the coverage that she needs, to cover all of the shaved sides. All right, so that's what we're doing. I'm just gonna allow you guys to enjoy the music. You know, somebody came from me the other day that the music was, I can't even remember the description. Like she would say, the music is so depressing. She said the music is so depressing. I'm like, girl, come on now, work with me. We are limited to just music that is not copywritten. All right, so we don't have much options over here. So, anyway, guys, enjoy the music and enjoy the video. All right. So we are on the last few braids, and we are definitely making sure that we place them strategically and intentionally so that they fall the way that, you know, I would want for them to fall if she wears her hair to the sides. Yeah, so this is the finished look, you guys. I just love the color. The ombre color is everything. How it transitions to a dark number 30, then to a lighter 27. I just love it. Yes, and the fullness of the hair, as you can see, will allow her to wear the style as if she have a full head of hair. Yeah, you would never know that there's an undercut underneath there somewhere. Yes. And she really, really loved the style, you guys. She was super pleased with how it turned out. And so was I. We were both loving the results. And come on now, it's time for the show out. Yes, 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 yes. Shake it, girl. Shake it, girl. Yeah, anyway, back to seriousness. Thank you guys for watching. She was actually trying out the high ponytail action. But thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate the support that you guys have been showing my channel in the, the recent months. Appreciate it. And continue to continue to stay tuned for my video postings. I do post on Saturdays and on Wednesdays, and I do post shorts on random days. So be sure to subscribe, be sure to hit the notification bell, and share the video with your friends. Bye.